Is this a bachelor party or a tea party?
That's probably her now.
It's about damn time.
Alright, Mikey!
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, Mike.
Noise pollution police. I'd like to take a look around if you don't mind.
Noise pollution police? What the hell's that?
There's been some complaints of some sort of party going on around here. And just who exactly is this party for?
Mike over there.
Well, I see. Mr. Mike, seems like you're the disturbance of this here party. Why don't you have a seat there, boy? Holy shit! What the hell is that? Is this our little noisemaker? Huh? What are we listening to, boys? Well there, Mike. Seems like you're the disturbance of this here piece. You're gonna get a little spanky there, boy. Woo! Yeah!
God, you bastard.
Another guy. Leave my number.
Oh, man. Oh, Scott, you do this, you bastard.
Oh my God! I gotta go to more bachelor parties.
This is disgusting. Scott, get him off me. I'm serious.
That's what we're for.
Scott, oh my God.
Officer, look, okay? Hey, this was a mistake. We meant to get a female officer. We asked for a... We don't want you to dance here.
I do!
Go to the concert. Drink lots of beer. After dropping off, I'll be waiting.
No, get that shit off me, man. Get it off. Scott, get him off me, man.
I understand you can't.
Will you please stop dancing? Stop
Hey,
dancing.
I always give you the guy with the thing. I don't dance, I don't get paid.
Jamie, can you do something?
What? Oh, like we all know each other. Yeah, that's Bob from the Fag Union meeting. Hey, man.
You know what? If you don't wait when you crouch in front of me, I'm gonna cut off your favorite little organ.
I like it when you talk dirty to me.
Hey. Oh, hey, hey. Hey.
To come to my place, ask him for a lift.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Wow, that's a lot of blood.
Somebody get a towel! I got one!
I think you blinded him, man.